Check out this 2018 Kia Forte SX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, compressor, intercooled turbo and cruise control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.